Tonight I'm answering a question from Mara Carva from Instagram. She's asking about dreams, consciousness, imagination, and the wild stuff that we can think of and the things that we experience when we're dreaming. Well, this is a quantum physics universe. And in the quantum unified field, which is just a field of possible energy, that's what you draw energy from to create the reality that you experience. And not in just this life, but every life, in every universe. It's all quantum unified field energy. And in that quantum unified field of energy, all possibilities exist. And you, as the observer in quantum physics, create it. When you place your observation on it, you are creating it and it becomes real. So no matter what you're thinking of, it becomes real. Your dreams are real. You are creating them and experiencing them as another point of your consciousness. And there's no time. You experience time because you create it to have the experience, but there actually really isn't time. So when you think of it, you are both creating it and experiencing it from that point of consciousness. It's like a split because everything everywhere is happening all at once. So if it's a pretty heavy responsibility, but this is how things evolve. Everything you think of here becomes real somewhere because you are creating it with your observation, with your thought. And it's recursive, it's a loop. And because there is no time, it doesn't really matter whether you created it first or it existed first. But because you're the observer, you did create it first and then tuned into it at the same time because your brain is a receiver of consciousness. It dials into frequency. So if you are thinking of it, it's because it's real somewhere. And I know that's pretty scary because we think of a lot of scary things, but there is no exception to the quantum unified field of possibility. It doesn't say, oh, all things are possible except the things that are bad or the things that you consider are bad. No, every single possibility exists. So if you are thinking it, you are observing it. You are in the act of observing it and it becomes real. This is part of what you experience when you move on from this existence. When you have evolved past your human state, you can choose to go experience any single one of the places that you've created because all possibilities exist. And you can create more and more and more. The game never ends. It's a simulation and you stay in it. It's part of what it is. It's a quantum unified field of energy and it creates dimensions and universes and it's self-perpetuating. It just continues to evolve and it goes into every single possibility and consciousness is going to experience all of it. And you are part of that consciousness from this point of your evolution. And you are going to have dreams and those are just you experiencing other points of consciousness that you've created. And the imagination, same thing. You are just tuning into that frequency and that is something that is both created by you and experienced by you, and it exists somewhere. Why do you think we are able to create so much variety of things in the movies? The imagination that Stephen King has. He is tuning into an actual place, actual events, and when he creates them, they become real. And his consciousness will experience them. And he is creating it from his observation as the observer in his quantum unified field. So, I know that's a lot. I get it. I really do. I had to have a near-death experience to be able to track all this, and it's like it unlocked everything. So, I do what I can to explain it in that way. But basically, the rules are you're the observer. It's quantum physics. There's no time. Everything's happening everywhere all at once. If you're thinking of it, if you're dreaming it, you're observing it. That means you're creating it. What can I say? Then it becomes real. Just because it doesn't become real in this physical universe that you are experiencing right now, it is real. It becomes real. You create it and you both experience it. Love you, Mara Carva. Love you, mean it. Bye.